There are many computer desk products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best computer desks from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. AODK 71 inches rating 4.8. The PC desk is equipped with 2 power outlets and 2 USB charging ports for your electronic devices. You can easily and conveniently charge your smartphone, gaming gear and Bluetooth devices when you are working or playing games. The side desk with shelves can be installed to the left or right of the main desk. Similarly, this chest of drawers can be installed under or next to the main desk. Variable desk shape allows you to adjust the desk to suit your personal preferences, providing you with a more comfortable and efficient workplace. This office desk has 3 fabric drawers, a host stand, and a 2-tier shelf. Ample storage space allows items such as books, stationery, files, electronics, ornaments, etc. to be organized and accessible, so you'll have a large, clean desktop that will make you feel good. Number 4. AODK L-shaped computer desk, rating 4.8. This home office desk is equipped with 3 power outlets and 2 USB charging ports to quickly charge smartphones, Bluetooth, headphones, tablets, mobile power, and gaming devices. You can work enjoyably or play games easily with a full charge. This gaming desk has 2 storage shelves helping you accommodate more books and documents needed for office and study, while strengthening the desk's weight-bearing capacity. Adjustable feet not only protect the floor from scratches, but also ensure stability on uneven surfaces. The X-Bars design allows you to stretch your legs while working, keeping you sitting comfortably. The workstation desk with a host stand and versatile storage space perfectly meet your needs. Ideal desk for bedroom, office, and study room use, helping you free up space. Number 3. Azonaner standing desk, rating 4.8. The height-adjustable desk provides you with a comfortable home office experience and reliable product quality. The stand-up desk can be adjusted between 28-46. The design of memory keys allows them to be adjusted quickly to your preset comfortable height. 48x24 eco-friendly desktop provides you with a spacious workspace, equipped with 2 wire collection clips, 1 headphone hook and a cup holder. The package of desktop contains 2 splice boards, which are assembled with screws and accessories. Detailed installation manual and accurate installation video guide. We guarantee that give you a reply with a solution within 24 hours. Solve all problems in installation or use. Number 2. Small Spaces computer desk, rating 4.8. The side storage bag and headphone hook are added to hold your office supplies and hanging your headphone, backpack, and other useful gadgets. This desk offers plenty of leg room for rest and storage, which help you better allocate desktop space. Different from others, the leg's visually present gray tone, more simple and fashionable. This modern small desk is suitable for bedroom, study room, living room, kids room, etc. You can use it as a computer desk, study table, home office desk, kids desk, and so on. A detailed instruction manual and all tools required for assembling are included. Quick and easy to assemble this small desk within 10 minutes. Number 1. Yahidic Home Writing Desk, rating 4.8. With a 55x 120 cm LXW tabletop and a 74 cm high underspace, you will have a large platform to deal with your work and ample space to get your legs cozily stretched. The vertically arranged storage above and below the tabletop releases your valuable working area, while providing ample space for essential and display items. Expanded storage, complete working area. 2 storage areas include an elevated shelf and a frame under the tabletop. Items like books and decorations can have their residence, leaving the working area clear and organized. Floor protective foot pads to prevent unnecessary scratches on your floor during movement. This office desk comprises 4 protective foot pads. Do not forget to install them during assembly. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.